Hello H9 fam, today I am going to take you around in one of our duplex projects in Lalbagh. So at the entrance we have designed this console over here, which also acts as a shoe rack which has ample of storage inside. We have placed it over here because there is no direct contact when someone enters and the sofa is not clearly visible. Also a small and a hidden shoe rack we have placed over here also. The material finish is what you see over here. We have used veneer on the wall and this golden is metallic peel. As we move forward, as per the Vastu, we have placed the mandir over here. The complete electrical junction of the house is hid behind this paneling. Two panels are for the electric junction and two panels are used as a crockery storage. So this is the living area, and for the back panel we have used this HDMR sheets which has a wave cut CNC cut over it, and the color combinations, as you can see, we have used two combinations which complement the entire living area. To the left, I have the kitchen area. Connecting to the kitchen, we have the dining area over here. We have created this step up for the elevator as it needed some maintenance pipes to go below. So we have used that thing as a design element. So behind the lift area, we have a cleverly hidden door which takes us to the powder bathroom and a common basin over here. As we had a sleeker staircase over here, the wall finish that you see, we have used tiles which are in fluted and plain panels. Why tile? Because tile is maintenance free, easy to clean. Every inch of this corner is cleverly planned and effectively functional for our client. This area majorly consists of three parts. One is the elevator, one is the staircase and the dining area. So let me take you to the parents' bedroom. At the entrance of the room, we have a huge dressing mirror with a unit, so you can have a seat and get ready, and for the complete look we have given a long mirror over here. Moving forward, we have a wardrobe over here which is finished in HDMR and PU finish, along with concealed handles. This is an optimized storage as per the client's requirement. So not actually looking like a storage, we have given three niches over here so we can have some artifacts and give this wall a beautiful look. Along with that, we have also added this side storages as well as a dressing mirror besides. The bed back panel is finished in HDMR and it has a leaf engraving in it which is finished in PU. The headboard we have taken dual tone. This is how the parents' bedroom looks, very subtle and minimal. So here we enter the younger son's bedroom. This bedroom, at the entrance we have a wardrobe over here. So for the wardrobe, we have used fluted glass, fluted tinted with metal handles. And this is the dressing storage over here as we have a mirror over here. The main door handle detail, as you can see, we have given a concealed handle over here. And this is metallic peel. So the client had two requirements. The first, they wanted earthy tones in their bedroom. Matching to the earthy tones, we have used this concept. We have played with greens and more of texture in this area. This wall, as you can see, we have a hidden bathroom door which is camouflaged in the design, and the finish is HDMR with texture paint. To add an highlighting factor in the bedroom, we have used this exotic marble which also can be backlighted, and we have book matched it, and this is the outcome. The second requirement of the client was ample of storage. We have also added a niche to break the design pattern and we have used HDMR in PU finish in vertical and horizontal panels. Also, we have used the profile handles, which adds an element to the design. So we are entering the elder son's bedroom. The concept of this bedroom, what we have chose, is simple, elegant, and in a single monotonous script. I loved how this curved wall took their form and gave a wider entrance to the bedroom. For the finishes, we have used Korean over here along with 3D engraving, and the below part it is finished in PU. Moving ahead, we have camouflaged another door over here which takes you to the bathroom. Besides the wardrobe, we have our dressing unit. So this dressing mirror has a storage behind. Also, we have given a cleverly tucked in space for the fufu. The bed wall that you see is in a book match Italian marble finish, and we have added flutes over it to give it a new look rather than a plain simple marble. So the original builder's layout doesn't had this balcony what we have created over here. So this breaks out the bedroom, and we have used the synchronized fluting panels profile. When you open it, we can have a view of the Mumbai city and can also be used as a balcony. As per the builder's plan, this area was supposed to be a common sit-out area, but the client needed a bedroom for their kids as they have 3 daughters. So we converted this area into the kids' bedroom. Has a Murphy bed over here which can be opened. Here we have a wardrobe for them. So the complete wardrobe is for their clothing purpose and their toys. In this area we have a study unit. The tabletop is finished in Korean and we have given a storage shutter overhead. Moving forward, we have this wall panel. I guess you cannot see the door over here, but yes, it leads us to the bathroom. We have used the synchronized slidings over here to cut out this area from the main foyer area. And behind the profile, we have used this mirror. The kids can use it as a dressing mirror. So this was a detailed tour of our 4 BHK duplex in Lalbagh. Hope you guys liked it. Stay tuned.